Today's video is all about aging men sexual health tips and health advice for aging men. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the health tips for aging men, that is people that are becoming old, people that are not young, men that are not young any longer, from 45 to 50, 55 to 60. So make sure that you stick to this video from the beginning to the very end to know the tips and health advice for aging men. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If you are new on this very channel, consider to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. In terms of aging men sexual health tips, there is a great difference between the youth and the old. That is, a man of 45 years to 50 years up and a man of, let's assume, 25 years to 40 years. There is a great difference in terms of sexual performance. There is difference between the rates of your immune system, how it functions. The rate at which immune system of a man of 25 years to 45 years can never be the same with a man of 45 to 50, 60 and above. There will be difference. A man of 45 to 50, 55, 60, his immune system is going down, and his immune system can never be like a young guy of 15, 14, 25, 30, 45. So there is a great difference. Aging men, as they are aging, their immune system, their body system are also aging. So if you are an aging man and you want to increase your libido, your sperm, your sex drive, and your sexual performance, all you have to do is to refrain from certain things that weaken your body system. In terms of drinking of alcohol, there are some aged men that they are addicted to drinking of alcohol and smoking of cigarettes. Since you are aging or you are becoming old and you want to perform well sexually, all you have to do is to totally quit smoking of cigarettes and drinking of alcohol. These two things are the most dangerous things that destroy the immune system and the body system. In terms of your sperm, low libido, low testosterone, all you have to do is to engage in enough sleep. If you are aging, engage in enough sleep and have a good rest. Consistency on rest will help you to revitalize your body system. And if you keep having stress, no matter what you do, it will still affect your body system. And after stress and you engage in drinking alcohol or smoking cigarettes, you will still disrupt or have erectile dysfunction, or your body system will never perform as you expected. So in terms of sexual performance for aging men, my best advice and my best tips are: number one, refrain from taking cigarettes and drinking of alcohol. Number two, engage in enough sleep and rest. Make sure that you eat a balanced diet. After that, make sure that you consume fruits and vegetables. These are what you need in order to perform well as a man. And all these things will help you to boost up your testosterone, increase your sperm or your sperm counts, and make you to perform well as you expected in terms of sexual aspects. All these things will help you to boost up your sexual drive. Most especially if you want to increase your testosterone and you are having a water sperm, engage in all this that I mentioned earlier. They will help you to achieve all this. So if you are aging, your immune system is also aging, and all you have to do is to stop some habits that cause you not to perform well as a man, and especially engage in enough sleep. Your immune system as an old man can never be the same with a youth or a young guy. There is a very big difference. There is a big disparity. So all you have to do is to help yourself by doing what I ask you to do. But I will recommend you as an old man to always take vegetables, raw vegetables, like the garden egg vegetable. You can take them raw. It is very good and it will help to boost up your immune system. So that is it for aging men sexual health tips and advice for today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this very channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.